Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm testing out the cameras on the Motorola Edge 2021. The slow pan of the area. Yes, I'm at this mall that's pretty much closed down, but it's so bad that there might be 10 stores total. But how's the stabilization? This is in 4K at 30 FPS, so yes, you can shoot 4K at 30. So I'm gonna do 4K at 30, maybe even 1080p, and then also do some, photos and everything. What y'all think? How does it look? So, see if I can zoom in. That is 10 times zoom. A little shaky. Go back out. What y'all think about the bush? Yeah, the bushes are dead from the freeze of 2020. So far, I'm enjoying the phone. Moto definitely, can make some good phones. I don't know if this one is better than the 2020 because they did take away a lot of stuff, and definitely the LCD panel is not as bright in the sunlight, say, as an AMOLED panel. So I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 60 frames, and then we can try that out too. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is 1080p at 60 frames. Again, how does that sound? How does everything look? How's the stabilization? How's the colors? Does it focus pretty quick? How's that green? The green looks pretty good on. Everything I'm seeing on the phone looks pretty good. Now, I will be comparing this to the Pixel 5a. I have to. Just for the cameras. I don't know. It's definitely a hot day in Texas. But what y'all think? Look, the building is closed. I think this used to be Dillard's. Or JCPenney's. I don't know. Oh, Macy's. Look, it says it right there on the door. The store is closed. North Star Mall. But what y'all think about it? How does this video look so far? How did the 4K at 30 do? How did I sound? No, I'm not going up those stairs. I would die. I'm too fat for the stairs. But I'm just holding the phone, walking around this poor looking mall. But I'm going to come back with 1080p at 30. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is 1080p at 30 frames. At 30 frames on 1080p, I do have access to the ultra wide. So if you want to shoot ultra wide video, you have to be in 1080p at 30. I'm going to go back to the regular lens. I don't know what y'all think about these cameras. Are they worth $699? Y'all let me know what y'all think. Look at the colors. Actually, focus really good. How does the sky look? Again, how does the mics do? Because again, I'm just walking around the park. I'm so used to saying the park. I'm just walking around the parking lot and testing out the cameras. Yeah, it's hot though. It's definitely hot today. With a little breeze. Let's see. Let's see how this fire hydrant looks. Now it is a little faded, and a little cracked up. But y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna probably come back with some photos and also front facing video. Will you buy this phone over the 2020? Do you have the Moto Edge 2020? Y'all let me know in the comments which phone y'all have, if y'all have it. If not, y'all let me know that too. But I'm gonna come back with the front facing video and some photos. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera on the Motorola Edge 2021. This is in 4K at 30 frames per second. Shout out to baby girl back there. But how'd that look? How'd that sound? Everything looks pretty good by what I'm seeing on the viewfinder. But I can't believe this camera can do 4K and 30. That's actually pretty cool. I know the Pixel 5a can't do that, so look, it has one thing up on the Pixel 5a, but besides being $200 more, is these cameras worth $250? We're about to find out what these are worth because, like I said, I will be doing a comparison with the Pixel. I have to, man. But look at the sky. Could you actually vlog with these cameras? Again, we're about to find that out. What y'all thought about the photos? What y'all thought about the 4K video? Let's get a discussion going. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about the whole video. Do you think these cameras are good? They actually look pretty good. Can't wait to get them at home and see. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on all types of cell phones. And until next time, peace, I'm out. Oh yeah, follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Later. Peace.